If you're diving into portable high-res audio, two compact players you might consider are the Innioasis Y1 and the HiBy R1. But which one is truly better for music lovers? Let's break it down. So the Innioasis Y1 is a compact audio player with solid DAC performance, touchscreen UI, and strong battery life. It's designed for good everyday listening, clear mids and balanced sound with support for common high-res formats. Some of its pros: clean, balanced sound signature, intuitive touchscreen interface, and portable and easy to use. However, it may lack advanced customization options and not aimed at power-hungry headphones. It's best for listeners who want simplicity, portability, and good all-around high-res sound without a steep learning curve. The HiBy R1 packs more power and customization than most budget DAPs. It typically has a strong DAC and app, supports a wide range of formats, and integrates well with streaming services. HiBy's UI is music-centric with options like parametric EQ and USB DAC mode. Some of its pros: stronger output for a variety of headphones, deep audio settings, and excellent format support. However, UI can feel cluttered and is slightly heavier and bulkier than simple players. It's best for audiophiles who want powerful output, tuning options, and format flexibility. So which one wins? Choose the Innioasis Y1 if you want a simpler, stylish player with balanced sound and straightforward usability, perfect for everyday listeners. Choose the HiBy R1 if you want power, customization, and wide format support, ideal if you pair with demanding headphones and like tuning your sound. The bottom line: the Y1 for portable simplicity and balanced sound, and the HiBy R1 for power and audiophile level flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.